Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class, and today I'll tell you an interesting story of a boy. A boy lived in a farm. He has a beautiful farm and he have beautiful ducks, and he always take care of duck and all the animals. He have beautiful goats and he always take care of goats, and he has a horse, a beautiful horse, and he likes to eat apple. He always take care of all the animals, and Allah become happy from Ali. So that's why we should always take care of animals, because Allah become happy. What is this? Apple. And tell me, what is the beginning sound of apple? A. And how to write? Put the pencil on the dot, make a slash line, make another slash line, and then make a apple. And what is this? Duck. What is the beginning sound of duck? D. Make a standing line and then make a half circle. What is it? Duck. And what is this? Goat. What is the beginning sound of goat? G. Make a half circle and then make a standing line. What is this? Horse. What is the beginning sound of horse? Horse. Make a standing line and other standing line, and then make a sleeping line. Hope you understand the beginning sound. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.